This is Taylor Henson. B5 is my drill number, and I'll be reciting the first 12 sets of the drill with my eyes closed. Set 1, I start to show splitting the 25 and 30 on side 1, and I'm 8 steps behind the back hash. And set 2 is we go to set 2 in an 8 count hold, and that is our Baba exercise, the beginning of that. Set 3, I move back to 2 inside the 25 on side 1, and I am 13 behind the back hash. That's an 8 count move. And to set 4 is another 8 count hold, which is the extended Baba section. Set 5, I move back to splitting the 25 and 30 again, but this time I'm 14 behind the back hash, and this is when we have a turn and a horn move. They're the same counts, and it's 1 turn lock, so the horn move would be 1 down lock. Set 6, I go to set 6, I go to 1 1/4 outside of the 25, the side 1, and 14 3/4 behind the back hash. Set 7, I go to 3/4 outside of the 30, side 1, and 15 3/4 in front of the back sideline, so I'm almost directly in the middle of the back sideline and the back hash. Set 8, I go to 3 3/4 outside of the side 1 35 and 7 3/4 behind the back hash. I'm still facing backfield at this point, and that's an 8 count move. And the next is another 8 count move, and I have a turn on 1 turn lock again, and I go to 1 1/4 inside of the side 135, and I'm 1 1/2 in front of the back hash. And then I go back to 1 3/4 inside the 35 and 5 1/2 behind the back hash, and that's an 8 count move. And then the next set, which should be set 11, is another 8 count move, and I go to 1 1/2 inside of the side 140, and I'm 8 behind the back hash. And then the final move, up to set 12, is another 8 count move, and there's a horn move on starting on count 5 rather. So it's 1 2 3 4 up lock, and my spot for set 12 is 1 3/4 inside the 40, the side 140, and 1 1/4 in front of the back hash. And then we hold there for a while, and that's the first 12 sets. Thank you.